Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson about close calls. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. A close call has been defined as an unplanned event that did not result in injury, illness, or damage, but had the potential to do so. Close calls should be taken as a golden opportunity or lesson learned to prevent accidents in the future. If you find yourself making one of the following statements, you might be witnessing a close call. I almost had an accident, but didn't. Wow, that was close. That could have easily hurt someone. In this lesson, we'll discuss how to approach close calls, how to report them, and the recommended procedures. There are procedures you will need to follow whenever there is an occurrence of a close call. First is identification. Understand what a close call is so when it happens you can report it. Disclosure means report the close call as soon as possible. Who the accident would have potentially impacted, where the close call happened, the type of safety concern, for example, unsafe act, unsafe condition, unsafe equipment, etc. Prioritization. Decide if the event needs immediate attention and analysis. Distribution. Give the information in the report to whoever is in charge of analyzing it. Identification of cause. Find out why the event happened. Solution identification. Find out what to do to make sure the event does not happen again. Dissemination. Give the information to everyone who is affected by it. The person who reported the event, the people who work in the area or with the machine, and the person who will be in charge of making the solution a reality. Follow-up. Make sure the changes actually happen and the workplace is made safer.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.